Look around you. Have you ever noticed? Some people age with energy, confidence, and presence, and others, they look tired, disconnected, older than they actually are. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not just age, it's habits. And some of these habits are so subtle, people don't even realize they're doing them. Before we begin, like this video, subscribe, and most importantly, stay till the end. Because the last habit, it's the one most people refuse to admit. Most aging signals come from behavior, not biology. You don't just age, you express your habits. Habit 1: negative self-talk. I'm too old. I can't do that anymore. What's the point? This silent dialogue rewires your brain. Research from the American Psychological Association shows that negative self-perception accelerates mental decline and reduces life satisfaction. Your brain listens to you, and then it believes you. The way you speak to yourself becomes the way you live. Talk old. Feel old. Habit 2: stopping movement. One of the fastest ways to look older. Stop moving. According to the National Institute on Aging, physical activity directly impacts mobility, posture, and even facial vitality. Movement isn't optional. It's identity. Stillness accelerates visible aging faster than time itself. If you don't move, your body decides for you. Habit 3: withdrawing from people. Isolation doesn't just affect mood, it affects appearance. Less interaction equals less stimulation equals less energy. Studies show social connection is strongly linked to emotional well-being and longevity. Loneliness silently drains energy, posture, and expression. Disconnection shows on your face before you feel it. Habit 4: losing curiosity. When was the last time you learned something new? Curiosity keeps the brain active. Research from Harvard University suggests mental stimulation supports cognitive health and engagement. People who stop learning start shrinking mentally. Curiosity is the difference between aging and stagnating. A curious mind doesn't grow old. It evolves. Let's pause for a second. Be honest. Which of these habits are you doing right now? Comment below. I'm working on it. Or, I need to change. Because awareness is uncomfortable, but powerful. Awareness creates change faster than motivation. You can't fix what you refuse to see. Habit 5: poor posture and body language. Slouched shoulders, slow walking, downward gaze. These are silent signals. Research from Princeton University shows people form impressions within seconds based on posture and movement. Posture equals presence. Your posture tells your story before you speak. Stand strong, look alive. Habit 6: ignoring health signals. Fatigue, poor sleep, low energy. Ignoring these signals compounds over time. According to Harvard Medical School, sleep, nutrition, and stress directly affect aging markers. Health isn't maintenance, it's momentum. Small daily neglect turns into visible aging. What you ignore today shows up tomorrow. Habit 7: living without purpose. This is the biggest one. When people lose purpose, they lose energy. Research from the Stanford Center on Longevity shows purpose-driven individuals experience higher well-being and engagement. Purpose doesn't retire. People do. Lack of purpose drains more energy than age ever could. Without purpose, life slows down fast. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Aging isn't just physical, it's behavioral. And the good news? Habits can change. At 40, at 60, even at 80. If this video made you think, comment below. Which habit will you change first? Like this video. Subscribe for real, honest conversations about aging and growth. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because the goal isn't to look younger, it's to live stronger. You don't stop aging, but you can stop accelerating it